At Cope, we tend to add renovation work to the production schedule on a first in, first out basis. This seems like the most fair way to do business and allows us time to order materials for your project. Typically, we're booked out anywhere from 3 to 6 months for major projects, so the sooner you send us photos and start the virtual estimate process, the faster we can get to contract and add you to the production schedule. Our contracts include the earliest available start date as of the time we wrote the contract. But whether or not we can actually start on that date is completely dependent on how quickly you sign the agreement and mail your deposit check, along with the lead times for special order materials, the weather and other delays that may affect jobs on the schedule ahead of you, and of course, anything stupid our elected representatives might do to further disrupt the supply chain and the available labor. If you have an emergency or a small home repair, we'll often use these projects to fill in any holes in the production schedule between the larger jobs as we wait for paint to dry, or if we need an indoor job in the event of rain or snow or high winds that prevent us from working outside. Our dedicated office staff works diligently to balance the needs of our clients on the big and the small jobs alike. When major storms blow through the area, it's not uncommon for us to pull 1 or 2 guys off of our renovation project to provide resources for helping other clients with storm damage emergencies, shingle blow-offs, etc. I'm sure if your home got hit with storm damage, you would appreciate it if we did the same for you. Once we receive your contract and deposit, our office staff will pencil your job onto our online calendar at the next available slot, and we'll adjust as the situation develops. We'll begin ordering special order materials, lining up some of the resources we'll need to complete the renovation, and once we have all the pieces in place, we'll give you a call to let you know that you're on deck. On larger projects, we are usually able to give you about a week's notice that our current job should be wrapping up in the coming week, and we'd like to start delivering materials or preparing for work at your place as our team gets cleaned up on the current renovation. With smaller jobs, you may receive a call the day or two in advance, or perhaps the night before if we have a weather situation or a material delay on another job that creates a hole in the schedule that we're looking to try to squeeze you into. Kindly return our communication promptly and let us know whether or not you're available. If we don't hear from you, we may try to contact the next client or two on the list until we're able to kind of fill that appointment. So we have worked for the guys and that we're being productive and maximizing our time in the field. I should reiterate that the earliest available start date is an estimate and it's valid as of the date we wrote the contract. So if it took you a week or a month to return your agreement, that date is going to get pushed back. If you have any questions about our scheduling policies or where you are on the list, please feel free to reach out to our dedicated office staff weekdays 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon, and they'll be happy to assist you. Once we confirm a start date with you, it's time to start preparing for your renovation. We'll talk about that next in Step 12.